उपन्यास लिखना चाहती हूँ।
Did you want to write a novel?
Yes, Renu, I wanted to write a novel.
Would you like to write a novel?
भाभी कंप्लीट द
ये,
प्रोसेस प्लीज।
हाँ हाँ। क्या आप उपन्यास लिखना चाहती थी?
हाँ रेनू, मैं उपन्यास लिखना चाहती थी।
Would you like to write a novel?
Yes, Renu, I would like to write a novel.
Okay.
Complete the process, Renu.
क्या आप नॉवल लिखना चाहती थी?
Sorry.
क्या आप Would you like to? क्या आप नॉवल लिखना चाहेंगी?
हाँ रेनू, मैं नॉवेल लिखना चाहूँगी।
Are you willing to write a novel?
Yes, Renu, I am willing to write a novel.
क्या आप नॉवल लिखना चाहेंगी?
Sorry.
सॉरी।
चाहेंगी, चाह रही हैं?
हाँ रेनू, मैं एक नॉवेल लिखना चाह रही हूँ।
Were you willing to write a novel?
Yes, Ritu, I was willing to write a novel.
क्या आप नॉवल लिखना चाह रही थी?
हाँ रेनू, मैं एक नॉवेल लिखना चाह रही थी। Okay. Okay. Sarika, do you want to take a sound sleep?
यस भाभी ऑफ कोर्स आई वांट टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप।
सारिका, क्या आप चैन की नींद सोना चाहती हैं?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल, मैं चैन की नींद सोना चाहती हूँ।
सारिका, डिड यू वांट टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप?
यस भाभी, आई वांटेड टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप।
सारिका, आप गहरी नींद, चैन की नींद सोना चाहती थी?
कम अगेन भाभी।
सारिका, आप गहरी नींद, चैन की नींद सोना चाहती थी?
इट इज
डिड यू
इन्वर्टेड सेंटेंस ना।
डिड यू वांट टू गेट? क्या
हाँ।
क्या आप गहरी नींद सोना चाहती थी?
हाँ भाभी, मैं गहरी नींद सोना चाहती थी।
ओके। वुड यू लाइक टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप?
यस भाभी, आई वुड लाइक टू टेक साउंड स्लीप।
सारिका, क्या आप चैन की नींद सोना चाहेंगी?
हाँ जी, मैं चैन की नींद सोना चाहूँगी।
सारिका, आर यू विलिंग टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप?
यस भाभी, आई एम विलिंग टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप।
सारिका, आप चैन की नींद सोना चाह रही हैं?
जी भाभी, मैं चैन की नींद सोना चाह रही हूँ।
वर यू विलिंग टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप?
यस भाभी, आई वॉज विलिंग टू टेक अ साउंड स्लीप।
सारिका, क्या आप चैन की नींद सोना चाह रही थी?
हाँ भाभी, मैं चैन की नींद सोना चाह रही थी। भाभी, ऑल आर डन। व्हाट शुड वी डू?
Barbie is written on in place of Bhabhi on Google.
Let's chit chat. मौके का फायदा उठाते हैं.
मौके
भाभी
का
is
फायदा
gone
है।
somewhere else.
Today Aparna has not come.
हाँ, आई
She
डोंट
must.
नो व्हाट हैपेंड एक्चुअली
She
ना। आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली।
she may be on the way to come.
Okay.
Actually, it is 12:36. Na, yesterday we started the class after 12:45. So maybe she is in the impression of joining after 4-5 minutes later on. Yeah.
व्हाट हैपेंड, हाँ। शी सेंड द मैसेज। शी इज आस्किंग व्हाट हैपेंड इन आवर ग्रुप। हाँ।
Nothing happened actually. What happened? पता है क्या हुआ? As I have clicked the link, na, so Bhabhi has deleted that message. So nobody has that link. So I write कि I cannot join. So that means कि मैं join नहीं कर सकती हूँ. तो मुझे वो लिखना था I could not able to join ना, मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. तो वो देखो इंग्लिश में कितना गलत हो जाता है हिंदी मीनिंग के कारण. तो भाभी asked what happened. So I replied कि भाई you have deleted the link, that's why I could not join. So this all happened today.
Maybe, Bhabhi, can we start making sentence in can, could or should chapter, Bhabhi? If you want.
Yes, Sarika.
Or can we chit chat like this?
Whatever you say.
Arey,
Everything
whatever. No. Whatever you both are say, as you wish means.
Nay, actually tell something. We can ask any questions to each other because that also enhance our vocabulary as well as our confidence. So it is okay. Actually, ma'am is not there. If ma'am is there, then we can. She must be not well,
Okay.
na? So,
Has Soumya got admitted in Symbiosis College?
yes, she got admission in Symbiosis College, but she parallelly trying for NIFT also. She wants to get admission in NIFT. So we have paid into both the colleges. So because we want to secure her year. So that's why we have paid there, and her college will start on 16th of this month. So side by side, see, that process is going for NIFT also. So if he gets admission in NIFT, then she will discontinue Symbiosis.
Miss,
So
her
till
classes will be online, na?
yeah, now it's online.
It's
That's
online,
why
na?
it is very convenient. Yeah. Otherwise, also if it is offline also, then also she prefers for NIFT because bhaiya, your husband and Aparna and lots of more of our friends, they are telling that NIFT is better than Symbiosis. Like it is not better than Symbiosis. Symbiosis is number one in private college.
Yeah,
So
Symbiosis is very famous college in
yeah,
Pune.
famous and that children learn more because it is near to Bombay, and private colleges take very much efforts for creating their reputation and all. So they work hard. That way, it is very good. But like वो ठप्पा लगता है ना निफ्ट का स्टैम्प ऑफ निफ्ट इज डिफरेंट. So let's see what will it will result in a month. Finally, it will result in a month. Final result.
What is she doing from Symbiosis, Renu?
She is doing designing from Symbiosis. So first year is
Designing in which
Fashion designing.
fashion designing. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, fashion
Okay, so
design.
NIFT is different from fashion designing, na? Actually,
No,
totally
no.
different from.
No. Both are same.
NIFT is for what?
NIFT is for fashion designing. National Institute of Fashion Designing.
Sorry. Sorry. I was confused between NIT and NIFT.
Okay.
That's why I was
Nahi.
asking.
Yeah. Okay.
I was
NIFT
trying
is also.
I was trying to join this, but I was not able to join. Nobody is there to let me in. I think. What happened? It took us 5 or 6 minutes, 10 minutes.
Actually, what happened? Bhabhi is not well.
No, after you. Matlab when Bhabhi sent na first URL, I did not see that one, but second URL when she sent and 12:26. So
Actually, what happened? She
Bhabhi's
has
trying to
joined
do.
us, and she has gone somewhere else because she was not there. So we are calling her, but she is not replying. So she is not well. So maybe some work may be there or something must be there. So that's why it
So
made.
let's start making sentences, na? Poonam, you
Bha-
give us one
the one round is over
one round
without
is
you.
over. Give me my
Hmm.
work. Give me my work.
No, not verb. We were practicing like previous class. Means take any one verb and ask anything. Ask 5 question like we were asking na in previous class like this.
Have you watched Poonam video, YouTube video? You are mute. He did not. She did not attend the class.
Aparna, no, I just started and then time was over and it was time to join the class. So uh, after the class, I will watch yesterday's class.
Okay. So what did you do? Any verb we can take, no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
want to.
So what should be the verb? Second next verb.
No, you can take any verb.
हाँ,
It's
but
it's your
sequence में I'm
choice.
taking. हाँ.
Can I give you
Hmm.
praise?
Uh,
प्रशंसा करना.
praise. I have also taken praise or raise. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, do you want to praise? Who were the last candidate
पूनम
to
भाभी.
us? Okay.
No, actually, हाँ, पूनम भाभी. Okay.
Bhabhi.
You can ask to पूनम भाभी.
Poonam was the last. Okay, Poonam, tell me. Do you want to praise your kids? Nee, do you want to praise your in-laws?
Yes, Aparna,
Maybe.
I want to praise my in-laws.
Did you want to praise your in-laws?
Complete the process, दी.
हाँ. क्या आप अपने in-laws की प्रशंसा करना चाहते हैं?
हाँ पढ़ना, मैं अपने इन-लॉज की प्रशंसा करना चाहती हूँ.
Did you want to praise your in-laws?
Yes, Aparna, I wanted to praise my in-laws.
क्या आप अपने in-laws की प्रशंसा करना चाहते थे?
हाँ पढ़ना, मैं अपने इन-लॉज की प्रशंसा करना चाहती थी.
Would you like to praise your in-laws on the occasion of any party?
Yes, Aparna, I would like to praise my in-laws on any occasion.
On any occasion. Okay. Are you willing
First, you
to?
complete the process.
हाँ. क्या आप अपने in-laws की प्रशंसा करना चाहेंगे किसी भी occasion पे?
हाँ पढ़ना, मैं किसी भी मौके पर अपने इन-लॉज की प्रशंसा करना चाहूँगी.
Are you willing to praise your in-laws in next 50th anniversary of their marriage anniversary?
Yes, Aparna, I am willing to praise my in-laws on the occasion of my 50th anniversary.
Okay, you are 25th done, huh?
No,
25th
25th not done.
on your 25th or 50th anniversary. Yes. Yes,
50th
God bless
anniversary
you.
of my. It's too far.
But God bless you. You will be there.
Swami.
Which, you will be under the sun.
Yeah, thank you.
So were you willing to praise your in-laws in your marriage anniversary, last year marriage anniversary?
Um, yes, Aparna, I was willing to praise my in-laws in my marriage anniversary, on my marriage anniversary.
Last year. Huh. Okay. Okay, na? Done. All are done.
First, you complete the process in Hindi.
क्या आप अपने इन-लॉज की अपनी मैरिज एनिवर्सरी पे लास्ट ईयर की मैरिज एनिवर्सरी पर प्रशंसा करना चाह रही थी?
हाँ अपर्णा, मैं लास्ट ईयर की मैरिज एनिवर्सरी पे अपने इन-लॉज की प्रशंसा करना चाह रही थी.
Okay, anybody can ask me.
No, last will ask you, no? Now I will come.
Okay, you can.
Okay. Okay. Um,
Meanwhile, can I ask
okay, you
who
start.
is ready? Who is ready?
Aparna is ready now.
I'm ready.
Okay, okay, okay. The do you want to quit any bad habit from your personality?
This is a tricky question, but I will try to answer. Yes. I think, this is my bad habit to I can make friendship very easily and very fast with anybody. So I want to quit this habit because I emotionally I'm involved with anybody, and it will give me a big stress after sometimes when somebody not believing me and not understanding me. So I want to
Responding positively. Hmm.
taking me otherwise, like making my taking my advantage, like this. In this case, I want to quit this habit to make friendship with anybody
Very
very
quickly.
fast.
So should I complete the process? No need, na?
No need to come.
Yeah.
Second question.
Shall I
अरे
start? Okay. Okay.
हाँ
एक ही पे क्यों कोई दूसरा?
हाँ, Poonam is asking. Poonam is ready to ask.
Okay, I'm asking to Sarika, no? Okay. Because Aparna, first you want to complete your questions, then Sarika, first you complete.
Bhabhi, no need to complete the process, na?
Okay.
If
Okay.
you want to, we can, but I think it
नहीं
is not.
actually Sarika, maybe she wanted to complete that 5 questions that we are asking. Now it is a
Oh,
present simple, na? Past
हाँ.
simple, that way. Not in Hindi. In English, you have to ask 5 questions. No?
You complete all 5 sentences, then I will start.
Okay.
Haan.
Okay, okay, no problem. Did you want to quit any habit from your personality?
Yes, of course. Sarika, I wanted to quit my habit from my personality. One habit of my personality, that is that is making friendship with very quickly. Making friendship quickly.
Okay. Would you like to quit any habit from your personality?
Yes, I would like to quit one habit of my personality.
Are you willing to quit any your favorite dish in your diet?
Yes, of course, even I am quitting so many things nowadays. So I am willing to quit one thing, gehu, wheat, from my diet
Okay, for weight loss, huh?
for reducing my weight. I am
Okay.
reduced 3 kg in
Wow,
a week.
that's wonderful.
In a week. Very good.
Very good,
Appreciable.
very good.
I'm
Thank you. This
happy. I'm
all
happy to
credit
listen.
goes to you, Bhavi.
Yeah. Actually, I want so many of them to follow this diet. It is very like when you are telling Poonam na to live for 50 more years and all. So then it is difficult for me to stop myself to tell her ki change your diet, Poonam, and come. We will live like
And
anything.
you can
Yeah.
live long.
Yeah, we then we can celebrate na. Now if we are like energy like kids like Chimo, then we can think of living long na. अगर अभी अपन बुढ़ा गए बोलेंगे थक गए हैं, we get tired and all, then it is difficult for us to revive बोलेंगे to
रिजवाइज क्या रिवेज ऐसा कुछ वर्ड है
Rejoice,
रिजवाइज
उल्लास
नहीं
से मनाना.
उल्लास से
Revive.
मनाना नहीं, तब हम इतना समय तक जी पाएंगे. We can live for long.
REGUINE ऐसा कुछ है वर्ड नवजीवन जीविका ऐसा कुछ करके है जेवलाइन ऐसा पता नहीं क्या अजीब सा वर्ड है जीवलाइन
I
जीवलाइज
don't know.
हाँ
And I haven't ever heard this word javelin like this.
नहीं दिस काइंड ऑफ
Maybe
हाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डन ऑल द
and the
क्वेश्चन
last one question is, were you willing to quit any habit after the marriage?
Yes, I was willing to quit one habit after the marriage. Habit, na? Anything.
Habit.
Habit, हाँ. Crying myself.
Crying
Crying
myself.
हाँ. This habit I wanted to quit. I was willing to quit.
Okay.
As you know, as a artist, I am very emotional person. So a little bit things make me na cry. Earlier when I was new in my susral, so every pinch, every comments made me cry. So after some time, I decided to quit it for enjoy myself, to revive myself, to stand up myself in front of people who doesn't love me and who don't love me, and I want to live for my son, for my husband who love me a lot. For them I want to live long. I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry.
So be it.
Okay.
Amin.
I don't
Okay,
complain
Poonam
anybody
Bhabi.
in sasural ki all are not. What is the idiom? Sarika, all are not alike. So this is now all are not alike.
All are
So
not alike. पांचों
हाँ,
उंगलियां एक
so
बराबर
पांचों
नहीं
उंगलियां
होती.
बराबर नहीं होती. तो my in-laws, as my mother-in-law, my father-in-law was so nice and with me and have been so nice with me. I'm very I'm very praised. I'm very lucky to have mother-in-law like her and father-in-law like him. So somebody has happened na, in every family. So I don't disclose anything else.
Actually, Aparna, what happened if you live with me na, and you have anybody in the world? Actually, there is a difference of thoughts. So you will think in your way, I think in my way. So somewhere, being a very good friend, being a very good relation, there is some clashes because we have our own ways of thinking. So that's okay. It is applicable for everybody.
I have left this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I have left
So
this thing.
actually, they each and every person, like I have some shortcomings. मेरे कुछ limitations are there. Everyone has. So one is good in something, other is good in bad in something. So that's why we are human. Otherwise, we would have
That's right.
lived in that
Air is human.
world
Is
beyond this.
human, no? Because we say na, air is human.
Yeah. So, yeah,
I think
Poonam
Haldiyon ka
is knowing this very, very much from, she has a very good experience of this. So, we are humans and we are living because we have some limitations within us. So, we have to overcome and we have to fly. So, we have that way to fly. But we are sitting on that. बस वो पर उड़ाना है वो टांका लगाना है दैट इज द नॉट इज टू बी बाइंड है ना है कि नहीं पूनम
Right.
Indeed. I
Right.
I agree with you. I agree. I
Absolutely
didn't
right.
find the comments of anybody nowadays.
so
I think
yeah
comments all the
yeah
things
you never
they were
complain I have
different. Like,
yeah I have never listened anything that is very good part because what I think if I complain or you complain or she complains so that the person for whom we are complaining he or she is unknown of that particular thing so what is the use so better to भाई say भैया तुम ये करना नहीं किया तो बस देखना फिर so we cannot do that so if we cannot do then we have to like जो हो रहा है होने तो भगवान पे डालो and that is the best solution I always do that कि whatever see one thing whatever ये हम लोगों का प्रिंसिपल है इंडियंस का कि whatever happens with God's will that is the first line ठीक है and everybody can be wrong but God cannot be wrong that is the second truth isn't it and whatever is happening with us is according to his will
according to
so
God.
जब जब everything is his will और he is not wrong तो हमारे साथ कुछ भी गलत कैसे हो सकता है so everything happens कोई हमसे बात कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है गलत भी बोल रहा है then also it is our karmas पहले के कर्मस it is like class में I should not mention but I want to share one thing the day before yesterday it was Ekadashi Vrat I think yesterday or day before
थोड़ा सा हाँ now
so it is like one day before and I was reading that kahani सुबह पढ़ते हैं ना so there I come to know that one person he that Raja the king he is not having the child so he um, क्या बोलते हैं उसने भोजन कराया बहुत सारे पुजारियों को बहुत महात्माओं को
he fed the priest.
priest okay so
He
then he
fed
said
the priest.
he fed the priest and he
Fed.
said
He
कि
fed.
fed fed ना yeah so he said कि भाई I don't know why I am not blessed with the son and your मतलब ये राज्य तो this राज्य will what happened I don't know but that the priest they thought कि we should do something for our king so they went into the jungles to the sadhus and all and there they meditated and they asked the god why this happened to our king he's so kind he's very good in everything he's doing so kind things but he's not blessed with the king sorry son so that they answered that god answered them ki what happened in his previous birth he was very thirsty so while he was thirsty he was about to drink water that time one cow along with its kid क्या बोलेंगे इट्स बछड़ा so that appears so
Calf.
Calf.
calf हाँ calf so one cow along with its calf appeared there So he उसने he उसको भगा दिया. What to say in English? So
he
Run away.
she threw him away. हाँ.
so उसने हाँ so
Make
he
him made him run away ना दी भगा दिया.
made him run away. Okay. So what happened कि in this world he has done everything good. So for that karmas he is king now. But just because of one karma, huh, that he is having this मतलब issue. तो it
This is that ki
हाँ
whatever we are giving good in
हम्म
our life, so this is the karma of our last life.
हाँ
Whatever
last
we
life.
are giving.
So
हाँ,
this
good.
is the story, but we can learn from this. What is right and what is wrong is God knows. We don't know, but we can learn from this small incidents. Incidents.
Incident.
Yeah. So then that God said कि this Ekadashi if he keeps fast for this as last मतलब कौन सी एकादशी का नाम था, so that all his karmas will vanish. And he kept the fast, and that he was blessed with the son. This is the story part. So I am just want to explain that ki one karma is affected to our life, whole life. So it is a matlab we should be very actually that theory of
This is
karmas
the
if we
destiny. हाँ,
hmm?
this is the destiny of every
Destiny.
human being. Whatever
Yeah.
we do, we have to pay for it, or we good or bad,
Bad.
whatever we
Anything.
do, we
Hmm.
have to pay
Hmm.
in
That's all.
earlier
Yeah.
and next birth. Poonam, do you read now story? You said once. Do you read? You read some stories, children story. You read now?
Actually, there is no concept of
नहीं,
heavens and hell.
she's
Nowadays, whatever we act na, so we have to pay in this मतलब this
this
word. मतलब I think हाँ earlier said ना कि hell and heaven is there. Hell and heaven is there. After we can we will go hell and heaven according to our karmas, but I think there is no concept of hell and heaven. Now whatever we do na, so we have to pay in this world only.
What is hell and heaven? You know, Sarika? Huh?
Hell means
If we are in good family and good surrounding, that is heaven.
yeah,
And if we are
that's
in
why
bad surrounding, that is hell. So
that is
everything
hell.
is here
Yeah,
only with our
yeah,
karmas.
actually I
This
want
is
to
the mean I want to say.
yes, and I want to share one thing that Poonam is a satsang karta. She throws satsang for children's. So she prepares the satsang, and a lot of the children's are there, like about 300 400 yeah 500 children's, yeah
No, 300-400.
300-400. Okay. So she present the satsang in front of them, and it is very good to listen that satsang. Our Babaji started that satsang, so she prepares that satsang and she delivers that satsang.
Who Bhabhi?
Poonam, apni Poonam.
Oh, Poonam the
Really?
Bhabhi. Wow.
Yeah, yes.
Something. Share something.
She has lot of bhandar to share with us.
Share
So
with us.
yeah,
When
if she
we
will
trying
start,
to
we
share
will
all
all
the
be.
time.
Bhabhi, please हम
Discuss
लोग को भी
devata
ज्ञान
time.
दीजिए.
And
Okay.
one more thing, देखो मेहता दीदी, she is the our security in charge. Okay, in spite of that, she is also a reader. She is also satsang karta. So she quitted that. Huh?
Sang karta.
Yeah, she can like book reader. Whatever satsangs are available, uh, already available. She reads during that satsang program. So her voice is very
Share
good.
some incidents.
Yeah,
Poonam.
Poonam will tell us so many things she can tell.
Bhavi, please
Yes.
share something, na?
Mm,
Share
uh,
one story.
uh, one day I had written on that ki creativity given by the creator. I have written on this topic. It is about creativity is in our hand and that is given by creator, and creator is what? God. So we do not force the children to for any matlab kind of dharam or any guru कि they follow them. We just guide them for moral values, good things, all that. We do not force them for any one single god or guru. So we cannot tell them directly for the any kind of guru, Radha Swami or anything. Just we tell them moral values. So we write on we matlab whenever it's our turn, no? So we speak on one topic only. So many topics are there like dignity of labor and parishram ka mahatva. Sometime we write on maafi and forgiveness. And we have a group of 12. We are 12 there. Bal satsang kartas, it means for kids satsangs. So everyone take their topics and write on that only. So one day I had taken creativity given by God. Then I started with that ki one day it was last day of exam, huh? And it was drawing exam was that. And teacher said them to children ki that you are all have to draw whatever you want. Actually in what happened ki in every exams teacher given us a topic and children should draw on them, draw on that topic only na. But that day teacher said ki you are free to draw anything whatever comes in your mind. So all children started drawing. Someone likes car. Then the child was drawing up car. And one children was said ki I love my family, so he was drawing for family. And one was like to play cricket, then he was driving sorry he was drawing draws of player. And that way one girl was drawing the sun and the nine planets of that um, sun. And then the teacher said ki what was you drawing matlab I had put the name of that girl. That girl
What
was
are you
Suruchi, and
doing?
Suruchi was
What
driving
are
drawing the
drawing?
that she was drawing sun and that nine planets. They are moving around the sun. Then and it was a big light, it was reflecting on that, all that. So that girl said ki teacher I was drawing a creator who is making all that. So teacher said where is the creator? Then she showed the light. That is from one light it all was it was a moon and nine planets. And then she draws brown hills, then blue skies, and then green plants, everything. Then teacher said wow, it's what your drawing is too good. Then teacher said ki you all are drawing yourself whatever you like, but you know what happened, this creativity who has given us? Then all children were shocked ki who has given us that creativity? Then teacher said ki this is all given by our God, creator, and that creator is God. Then children said ki okay, that so you all are whatever you are drawing. So all this drawing is given, that creativity is given by creator. And if someone will then teacher started their story कि if your painting will erase by someone or it will spoil by someone, then what happened? Then teacher said कि then the student said, teacher asked the question, then student said कि we will not feel good because हमारी ड्राइंग को अगर कोई खराब कर देगा तो अगर आपकी पेंटिंग, आपने कुछ बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग की, अगर कोई इसको खराब कर देगा तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? टीचर ने ऐसा पूछा. देन बच्चे सेड कि नो वी विल नॉट फील गुड देन व्हाट हैपेंड, देन दे सेड कि हमने इतनी मेहनत से अपनी ड्राइंग बनाई और आपने उसको खराब कर दिया, देन वी विल स्टार्ट क्राइंग और फाइटिंग विद समवन. द टीचर सेड, सो व्हाई वी आर मतलब spoiling their creativity. So what is the creativity? Then teachers, and what is that creativity we are spoiling? Children ask the teacher. The teacher said, we humans are the creativity of that creator actually, and we are spoiling that creativity. If creator has made us, ठीक है, भगवान ने हमको बनाया है. If we are not using good, he has given us one mouth to speak. If we are not speaking good words, if we are using bad words, then we are spoiling his creativity of mouth. If we are not hearing good things from our ears, then it is also bad, like we are spoiling his creativity. If God has given us two eyes to see the good things, but we are looking for bad things, then we are also spoiling the creativity of that creator. He has given us two hands to do something good, but what we are doing something bad with these two hands, then also we are spoiling the creator's creativity. And he has made us, means too much creative he has made us. He has given us two legs. If we are somewhere going to do bad, then also we are spoiling his creativity. That way I मतलब completed the procedure कि that is God creativity, he has made us, we humans. So we humans should always do something good with our like body. Then we also respect his creativity, like that कि if our painting is, someone will erase it, then we will also feel bad. So that creator's creativity is what we humans are. So with we should also always try to do something good. We should not spoil his creativity which is given us. That way I connect the all the story for 25 minutes.
Very nice, very nice. When
Wow,
Bhagwan made
amazing, amazing.
Very
Bhagwan
good,
made
Poonam.
us, when
I'm
we
very
make
happy
a
to see.
drawing and somebody spoil it, so we feel.
Sorry.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Aparna, you were saying something. Go on.
The conclusion of this story, that moral is this story, that ki, when we make something and somebody spoil it, so we feel very sad after it. But when God made us and with a beautiful creature, with beautiful scenery, with a beautiful atmosphere, and we are doing with the nature very bad, we are um, exploiting this all the things with the nature. So this, so how will God feel? It will be the so sensitive point of the view to means feel it. We can explain this thing to every children ki what we are doing. They can nowadays the children can explain this better way in the story of ki what we are doing with the nature, and how can we save, how can we conserve our nature by the help of this thing, not removing. Nowadays the global warming is going
all
on,
that was in
and
that it's all that was in that story, but I forgot to tell you actually. I will mention all that things ki we are with factories, that water is polluting, and what happened in air pollution. I told everything, but I just told you in short way. But it was on all data, because for 25 minutes na it was, so we write so many things.
It is a very nice to listen that satsang. Our Babaji satsang is outstanding, no doubt. That I will share with you all.
Bhabhi,
But
Bhabhi, I'm sharing. I'm but in this case, and so you said na ki everyone can satsang over there. So once Bhaiya will come over in Nagpur na, so we will take him over there to listen her satsang from with everybody.
Yes,
Because
definitely,
uh, he
definitely.
also tells us
Even
like a satsang.
even in Jabalpur, there is a Satsanghar of Radha Swami Satsanghar. Anyone
Where
can
it is?
go on Sunday, and to nowadays it is closed everywhere all over the world. So after opening, we will inform, and one can go, and Sarika can go to in Bombay. Their satsang is like amazing. पुणे बॉम्बे सत्संग आर लाइक मुझे तो लगता है मैं वहां चली जाऊं आऊं ही नहीं सो अपर्णा इट इज लाइक दैट इन टू क्लोज ठीक है एनी टाइम
It is in
any
Jabalpur.
day if anyone leave me there to satsang karna and says we will not come like I am the happiest person in the world so I am like that so no problem at all I'm what is my Soumya what important how important she is as important you are as important sir is and as important Poonam is so there is no distinguish between anyone so like all are important because all are created my Bhagwan my God so I respect each and every person matlab, from core of my heart so I love that's why I love everyone so much and I am ready to help throughout like 24/12 no restriction of time there is restriction due to my family so if I don't want to marry actually so just because my thinking and my everything is very different I think very differently so I want to live for others so but um,
God
destiny
I'm very
destiny
happy
kahan
about
jaye
it. Carry
so this
on.
happened yeah okay sorry हम लोग बहुत अलग चले गए आज
No, we are saying just like sir. I told you that sir is just like hermit, and one day we will listen. Earlier we used to listen her na pravachan like this. I think Poonam did not listen him. He, matlab he always gives tells like a pravachan. He means his way of uh, saying anything, telling anything is just like a hermit is saying. Hermit, you know, na sadhu or sadhu kind. Hermit, sadhu is listening. He's laughing at me. Actually, I heard this thing from Chimu's one story. Yesterday, I was teaching him to. There was a story about a hermit and a king. That's why I'm calling it hermit. Saint. Sannyasi, I think hermit, sannyasi.
Okay. Write down the next sentence in past perfect tense. But before writing, can anybody tell me what was the last sentence?
Yes sir, the last sentence was जैसे ही हमने सुना उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया था हम तुरंत ही वहां पहुंच गए just as we heard we got he got an accident we reached over there.
So the next sentence is एम्बुलेंस के आने के पहले ही एम्बुलेंस के आने से पहले ही वह दम तोड़ चुका था Poonam, speak the Hindi sentence, please.
Sir, your voice is chopping. Actually, you're not clearly audible to me.
You are mute sir.
Can anybody speak the Hindi sentence?
Yes sir. एम्बुलेंस के आने के पहले ही वह दम छोड़ चुका था.
दम तोड़ चुका था.
तोड़ चुका था
Yes.
Sir, what should be the verb for dam todna?
I will not tell you. You have already used once I was listening. I think only Renu was there in practice batch. Renu knows this
Sakam.
word. Yes. So, who has to make this sentence?
Sir, I have to make this sentence.
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. This sentence belongs to present perfect tense and it is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is he. Later on, I will take the helping verb and the helping verb is has. Thereafter, I will take the third form of the verb and the third form of the verb is succumbed. Thereafter, I will take the conjunction and the conjunction is before. Later on, I will take the first form of the verb and the first. Later on, I will take the. Sir, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? He has succumbed before coming ambulance. Later on, I will take the first form of the verb and the first form of the verb is come and I will put ing. So, sir, ये तो noun बन गया ना before coming.
Okay, let's see who else can perform.
I wanna try.
Okay, go ahead, Aparna.
So this sentence is having two parts.
Correct.
First part belongs to past perfect. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is he. Later on, I will take the helping verb and the helping verb is has. Thereafter, I will take the third form of verb and the third form of verb is succumb. Thereafter, later on, I will take the conjunction word and the conjunction word is before. And second part belongs to past simple. An it is an also affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is the ambulance. Later on, I will take the second form of verb and the second form of verb is arrived. And the last of the sentence, I will put the full stop. And the sentence had he had succumbed before the ambulance arrived. He had he had succumbed.
Okay, thank you, Aparna. Well done. Would you like to try?
Sir, I'm little bit confused, but earlier I was sure that this sentence has two parts, but Sarika said that this is one sentence and Aparna said it is two sentences. So एम्बुलेंस के आने से पहले ही is one part and दम वह दम तोड़ चुका था is another part. So, sir, I will go with two parts. This sentence has two parts. It is first part is from ambulance के आने से पहले ही. It is a present tense. Present, simple present. And second sentence is from past perfect tense. Firstly, I will take start with the second sentence. I will start with the subject, and the subject is he. He had he. Then I will take the helping verb. He, helping verb is had. Thereafter, I will take the third form of verb, and that is succumbed. Then I will take the conjunction. Conjunction is before. He had succumbed before. एम्बुलेंस के आने से पहले ही. बिफोर द एम्बुलेंस अराइव्ड, रीच्ड होना चाहिए था. Before, then I will take the article. The article is the. Thereafter, I will take the noun. That is ambulance. Noun कहाँ से हो गया? Object. Reached. Yes. Sir, I don't know. Sir, yeah, reached होना चाहिए था. He had succumbed before the ambulance reached, arrived, come here.
Poonam, would you like to try?
Sir, this sentence having two parts, but I don't know how can I explain, because I think first part is past perfect tense and the second part I don't know because helping verb is not in this sentence. So before reaching the ambulance, actually,
Good. I think you were absent that day when I gave this tense. Were you absent, Poonam? But you can see the recording. Ritu is rest. Ritu, would you like to try?
Sir, I think sir sentence is correct, but second part we can take firstly.
Okay, so start from the start then. Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence. This sentence, that sentence having two parts. First part is past perfect tense, and second part is also past perfect tense.
Good.
Firstly, I will take the ambulance
Good.
reached.
Right.
Um, he had succumbed.
Good.
जैसे ही एम्बुलेंस के आने के पहले ही वह दम तोड़ चुका था. The ambulance reached, he had succumbed.
Right. That's all?
Yes.
Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sarika, would you like to try again?
Yes, sir. But I am still confused about the sentence. Mean, sir, we should follow that rule ना कि ये भी वैसे ही है, सिंपल ही है. उसमें थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन रहता है.
That's why I'm asking you again. अगर तुम में और अपर्णा में से कोई उस नियम का को मेंशन कर देता ड्यूरिंग मेकिंग द सेंटेंस, तो क्लियरिटी और बेहतर होती। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू। और हम इस बहाने हम चेक भी कर लेते कि जो हमने उस दिन बताया था जो
Yes,
उसको
sir. Actually, I
सेंटेंस
saw
बना
the
के
same you have given first sentence. I have seen that sentence and I made it like this.
actually mentioning is better for the people who were absent or who were absent minded. Both are correct. So it will be helpful for them. So do you any one of you would like to try again? Let Sarika try again. And if anything remains left, you can fulfill Aparna.
Okay, sir.
Sarika, who has to make this thing?
So
Or
means, sir, I follow na that particular rule you have explained in previous class.
और हम एक चीज और बोल देते हैं, क्या हमने तुम लोग को बकायदा ये बताया था कि हम ये जो हैविंग नाम का पैटर्न तुम्हारी जुबान पे रखवाना चाह रहे हैं वो इंग्लिश मीडियम वालों का बड़ा ही अट्रैक्टिव पैटर्न है। और अगर उस दौरान हम ये बताना भूल गए थे कि इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले इसलिए हैविंग का प्रयोग करते हैं, और जैसे ही आप आईएनजी लगाते हैं तो एकदम जहन में आना चाहिए कि आईएनजी हम सीधे तो कभी नहीं लगा सकते भाई। इस एम आर कुछ तो होगा, जैसे आई गोइंग तो नहीं हो सकता, ही कमिंग तो नहीं हो सकता, वी डांसिंग तो नहीं हो सकता, आई एम गोइंग ही होगा, ही इज कमिंग ही होगा, वी आर डांसिंग ही होगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज रिक्वायर्ड और नॉट। तो इस बहाने वो हैविंग का प्रयोग हम तुम्हारी जुबान पे रखवा देना चाहते हैं, और इससे सबसे बड़ा जो फायदा होता हो सकता हम बताना भूल गए हो कि वो जो हैज और हैव का लफड़ा होता है। सी लेडीज, व्हाई इंग्लिश मीडियम गाइज स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश? एक्चुअली दे अडॉप्ट सम पर्टिकुलर ट्रिक्स which make their flow better and remove their mistakes, grammatical mistakes. जैसे Renu was saying has, this sentence has two parts. Correct, it is right, good, no problem. लेकिन जैसे ही आप having लगाते हैं तो वहां has की जरूरत ही खत्म हो जाती है। has कहीं आएगा ही नहीं, आप बच जाओगे उससे। जैसे I am having, you are having, she is having, they are having, has की जरूरत ही खत्म कर देता है having पैटर्न। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट रेनू, रेनू यू ऑलरेडी नो द यूज ऑफ हैज और हैव, बट लर्न फ्रॉम हियर हाउ टू यूज हैविंग पॉजिटिवली। अच्छा, अभी देखा हमने ऋतु को मौका दिया तो ऋतु ने सेंटेंस को सही करके दिखा दिया। अगर वो पूरी प्रोसेस को फॉलो करती तो कम से कम 15 सेंटेंस मुंह से निकलते। 15 appropriate precise the sentence come out from your mouth. Now you can see Ritu. Sarika is going to make this sentence.
Okay, sir. This sentence is having two parts, and I am following that rule ki where in Hindi sentence, where making an English sentence, I use first part in the last and the last part in first. तो कैसे बोलेंगे? Reversible.
ये तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया, पूछ भी लिया बेटा। अभी सभी लोग सुने, हम लोग इंग्लिश में दिक्कत क्यों महसूस करते हैं? क्योंकि हम वैसा बोलना चाहते हैं या वो बोलना चाहते हैं जो हिंदी में हमारे दिमाग में आए। देखो, एक बिल्कुल नेचुरल प्रोसेस है। वी आर बेसिकली हिंदी मीडियम पे, तो वो लोग तो जैसे सारिका अपने बेटे को ले लो, वो कम से कम 5 घंटे बिताता है अपने स्कूल में, और कितने सालों से, कितने एक साल का है रुद्राक्ष?
Sir, he is 12 years old.
तो वो 12 साल में से 3 कम कर लो, 9 साल से वो 4 से 5 घंटे अंग्रेजी के माहौल में बिता, और हम क्या कर रहे हैं पिछले 2-4 महीनों से या 5 महीनों से या 6 महीने से 1 से 1.5 घंटा अंग्रेजी के माहौल में बिताते हैं. So this is the difference between Hindi medium and English medium. They think in English actually. We think in Hindi, they think in English. This is the difference. And I want to tell you, sooner or later, the time will come, you will also start thinking in English without any extra efforts, because it is nature. It is a nature. Like today you were talking. So you did not need any help or anything. Poonam was speaking very nicely. I heard speaking Poonam, but I could not hear speaking the others. तो अब इसको ऐसा लेते हैं सारी का, बाकी सब अपन सेम रखते हैं जो पहले बोलते थे. दिस जिसका सीसी ऑन ना हो ऑन कर लो, ताकि हेल्पिंग वर्ब नीचे लिखी हो है तो कम से कम आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब देख लो. This sentence is having 2 parts. इस वाक्य के 2 हिस्से. First part belongs to past simple. Second part belongs to past perfect. First sentence is affirmative sentence. Second sentence is also affirmative sentence. Now I will take the second part first, because the rule of past perfect is interchange. We interchange the sentences. So I am taking the second part firstly. बस इससे आगे बढ़ते चले जाओ, सेम टू सेम रहेगा. Right? Go ahead.
Okay, sir. This sentence is having 2 parts. First part belongs to past simple tense and it is an affirmative. Okay. First part belongs to past simple tense and the second part also belongs to past perfect tense, and the first part is an affirmative sentence and the second part also an affirmative sentence. But firstly I will take the second part according to the past simple rule. Because of interchange I will take the second part first.
With past simple नहीं, according to the rule of past perfect tense.
Acha. According to the rule of past perfect tense, I will take the second part first, and then I will take the first part second. So firstly, I will take the second part, and firstly I will take the before. सर कंजंक्शन से स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं ना कभी? करते
बेटा
हैं?
ये सेंटेंस बिल्कुल सही है, सेंटेंस सही है.
अच्छा.
सेंटेंस पूरा सही है, बस
तो
केवल
कंजंक्शन
वो वहीं आएगा. कंजंक्शन तो 2 चीजों को कंजक्ट करेगा ही.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
तो वहीं
Okay.
आएगा. पूरा सेंटेंस सही है, केवल डिस्क्रिप्शन तुम सही कर दो. और ऋतु इस चीज को सुन ले अच्छे से, पूनम भी सुन ले, तो एक बार आगे हम एक और सेंटेंस देंगे और एक आध हम बढ़ा देंगे. एक पर्टिकुलरली ऋतु के लिए दे देंगे, एक पर्टिकुलरली पूनम के लिए, एक पर्टिकुलरली रेणु के लिए. तो तीनों एक बार ऐसा सेंटेंस बना लेंगे, है ना. तो अब केवल तुम्हें डिस्क्राइब करना. सेंटेंस इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट.
Okay. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is he. Later on, I will take the सर अभी अभी भी नहीं आ रहा मुझे समझ में। जब सेंटेंस चाहिए तो फिर हमने वो क्यों बोला कि हम पहले लेंगे और बाद में लेंगे? हम बनाते समय तो हम उसको ही पहले ले रहे हैं ना, पास्ट परफेक्ट को।
Can I try,
पर
sir?
दूसरा सेंटेंस पहले ले रहे हैं ना बेटा, देखो हिंदी में वह दम तोड़ चुका था, ये दूसरे नंबर।
अरे हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके ओके, नाउ आई, यस सर, नाउ आई एम क्लियर।
केवल डिस्क्रिप्शन, क्योंकि तुम्हारा डिस्क्रिप्शन सबसे अच्छा रहता है तो इसलिए डिस्क्रिप्शन तुमसे दिलवा रहे हैं, प्रिसाइज्ड रहता है ना, दैट्स ऑल।
Okay, sir. Now I'm clear. Firstly, I will take the subject and the subject is he. Later on, I will take the helping verb and the helping verb is had. Thereafter, I will take the third form of the verb and the third form of the verb is succumbed. Later on, I will put conjunction here and the conjunction is before. Thereafter, I will put the article and the article is the here. Then I will take the subject and the subject is ambulance. Later on, I will take the, lastly, I will take the second form of the verb and the second form of the verb is reached. Then, and the last of the sentence, I will put full stop and the sentence is he had succumbed before the ambulance arrived.
हमने सारी वर्ब लिख दी हैं लेडीज, लेकिन आगे बढ़ने से पहले पूछते हैं, ये सेंटेंस तो हो गया व्याकरण का सेंटेंस, ग्रामेटिकल सेंटेंस, राइट? इट इज बेस्ड ऑन ग्रामर। लेकिन अपन इसकी खूबसूरती बढ़ाने के लिए एक दो शब्द और लगाते हैं, कल भी लगवाए थे। डज एनीबडी रिमेम्बर?
Over there.
ये लगा देते हैं।
Okay. Lastly, later on I will take the preposition and the preposition is over. Lastly, I will take the extension and the extension is there and I will put full stop. So the sentence is he had succumbed before the ambulance come over there.
तुम लोगों ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, हमने जानबूझ के कम लिखा है, वहां नहीं पकड़ पाए।
Come came come ना, it is the
Second
third form.
second form came आएगा ना CME।
नहीं सर,
ओ हाँ, यहाँ कम came।
हम चेक कर रहे थे, हमने केम लिखने के बाद कम कर दिया था।
I don't know what happened today. I'm making mistakes a lot.
चलो दो चीजें और बोलते हैं। ये जो हमारे अंदर ये जो भाव आते हैं ना, आई समटाइम्स, जैसे समटाइम्स ऋतु सेड, अरे दिस इज वेरी टफ, बुढ़ापा आ गया है, ब्ला ब्ला, ये सब। तो ये इसको क्या कहते हैं, हम इससे बहुत ग्रसित हैं अपने जीवन में। प्रेस्टीज इश्यू जैसा कुछ हमारे सामने आ जाता है, और ये प्रेस्टीज इश्यू जो है, इसको एक बड़े अच्छे शेर में हमारे एक दोस्त ने हमसे शेयर किया था। करीब करीब वही बात आ रही है, यहाँ देखना सुनना इसको, कि मसीहा बना दिया मुझको, कि मसीहा बना दिया मुझको, कि अब शिकायत भी की नहीं जाती। तो सारिका को एक तरह से सबने ये मान लिया है कि नहीं, सारिका कैन डू इट द बेस्ट। तो अब वो मसीहा बना दिया है, अब मैं गलती करूंगी या करूंगा तो मीन्स लाइक दिस।
नहीं सर, मुझे अपने ऊपर ही गुस्सा आ रहा है कि मैं आज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि सब लोग क्या सोचेंगे, कभी कभी अपने ऊपर आ जाता है ना कि मैंने ऐसा कैसे कर दिया, मैंने क्यों किया, इस टाइप का हो रहा है मेरे साथ आज।
तो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? What is the problem? एक बड़ा अच्छा सेंटेंस अभी आर्या नाम के सीरियल में सुना आपने कि हीरोइन से उसने बोला कि योर लाइफ इज नॉर्मल, तो उसने गुस्से में कहा, क्योंकि बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी, तो उसने गुस्से में कहा व्हाट इज नॉर्मल। यहाँ समाप्त हो गया, फुल स्टॉप। अब हम कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहेंगे क्योंकि ये अपने आप में संपूर्ण वाक्य है, विचार करने योग्य है। अगर नई बात आ रही है, क्लियर नहीं हो रही, तो आप यू कैन टॉक टू मी, यू कैन पर्सनली कॉल मी एंड वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इज नॉर्मल। कहीं कोई रूल वूल तो है नहीं, कहीं कोई नियम है क्या नॉर्मल का? तो चलिए हम इस सेंटेंस को बोलते हैं। आज आध्यात्मिक चर्चाएं, वैसे भी सत्संग काफी हो चुका है, तो इस सेंटेंस को बोलते हैं।
एम्बुलेंस के आने से पहले ही वह दम तोड़ चुका था। He had succumbed before the ambulance arrived. The ambulance came. अपर्णा,
He had succumbed before the ambulance arrived over there. एम्बुलेंस के आने के पहले ही वह दम तोड़ चुका था। रेणु भाभी,
एम्बुलेंस के आने से पहले ही वह तोड़ चुका था। He had succumbed before the ambulance reached over there. Now, Poonam.
He had succumbed before the ambulance arrived over there. एम्बुलेंस के आने के पहले ही वह दम तोड़ चुका था।
It's my question. He had succumbed before the ambulance arrived over there. एम्बुलेंस के आने के पहले ही वह दम तोड़ चुका था।
Thank you. I clapped on Poonam's comments, but she could not complete the process.
Sir, actually I was confused कि that's
दोस्तों ध्यान से देखना अपनी प्रोसेस को। आज अगर आप थोड़ी बहुत सफलता, वांछित सफलता तक पहुंच पाए हैं अंग्रेजी में, तो उसी बेसिक में जाके देखना कि अपनी प्रोसेस में पहले अंग्रेजी का वाक्य बनाते हैं, फिर उसको हिंदी का। कभी ध्यान दिए कि क्यों?
सर, क्योंकि अपनी ये इंग्लिश क्लास है, इंग्लिश स्पोकन क्लास है, तो फर्स्ट इंग्लिश देन हिंदी।
हम आपके जहन में पहले हिंदी आने को रोक देना
चाहते
चाहिए।
हैं फिर हिंदी। हाँ,
एक्चुअली हिंदी रोकना चाहते हैं सर।
आपके जहन में ग्रामर आना चाहिए कि ये एक वाक्य लिखा है, तो फर्स्टली आई विल टेक द सब्जेक्ट। अब जैसे ही आपको ये बार बार आप बोलते हैं, तो एक दिन आपका माइंड सेट हो जाता है। कभी भी आप किसी से बात करेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली, जिसको अंग्रेजी में एक और बहुत अच्छा शब्द है
Spontaneously.
spontaneously. So the process is spontaneous process. Sooner or later, you will automatically start thinking in English. Right now, I am talking to you, ladies. See, I am not making sentences in my mind. Okay, I have to speak present continuous. Firstly, I will take the subject I, then I will take the helping word am, then I will put the negative word not, then first form of the verb think, then I will put ing. I am not doing it. It's automatically coming out of my tongue. And see one more thing here. Once Renu was talking about her topic, you can see that video. She's uh, pretty fluent in that video. Why? Because she's having a good command over that particular topic. She was not lacking any vocab or words at all. You can see. Today, when Poonam was talking about that particular topic, she was not breaking at all. She was not hesitating at all. She was not minding the grammar. Let the grammar, because what? Because she it is her topic. That's why she was fluent. So if I say, what is your hobby, Sarika? Sorry, Sarika will answer, this is my hobby. If I say, please say something about it, Sarika will be very much fluent. She will be speaking fluently. She will not hesitate at all. If I ask Ritu, what is your topic is counseling. Say something about counseling. What is your experience? Blah blah blah. Ritu will be so fluent. You can do it. Ritu, you can make your own video whenever you feel free. Just put your mobile and start speaking.
Okay.
Hello guys, good morning, good evening, whatever. Today I want to talk to you about blah blah blah. You will find that you will not be lacking the words. Why? Because the words are related to your subject,
Subject, yes, sir.
and you will be speaking and speaking and speaking and speaking. But if you give me any new topic, I will be hesitating. Why? Because I don't know about that topic. Even I will be hesitating, no doubt. And one more thing, I did not interrupt the discussion, whatever was going on. Uh, oh, something wrong happened here with the electricity. Okay, so once you can also do it, Sarika. Expand. There is a word. Extempore. Extempore means tatkalik bhasha. Suddenly, randomly choose any topic and start your mobile, whether it is audio or video, start speaking. And by the end, you will be surprised for yourself. So, dosto, the process, I write down Hindi over there. It's okay, but when we speak, firstly we speak English sentence, then we speak Hindi. It should be followed. Okay. So, what is the time? 1:55. Should I give you one more sentence for Renu's purpose or Poonam's purpose or Ritu's purpose?
Yes,
Is
sir.
anybody
Yes, sir.
who is ready?
Sir, I'm ready.
Ready? Okay. For Renu's purpose, I am giving the sentence in past perfect itself. बारातियों के पहुंचने से पहले ही बारातियों के पहुंचने से पहले ही घराती डिनर साफ कर चुके थे. घराती, घ छोटा था, रा में आ की मात्रा, ता में बड़ी की मात्रा. आई एम राइटिंग इट.
Sir, I don't know the.
I will. You can. I'm giving you one more rule of this class. If you don't know the English meaning of any subject or any, so you can directly use Hindi word. Okay.
Okay, sir. Gharati and Barati. Barati is.
No, you just go ahead. I will not help you right now.
Okay.
And one more thing, guys. Do not take attention about this chapter. Poonam, Ritu, or Renu. I want to tell you one more thing. See, ये ग्रामर की वो पेचीदगियां हैं जिसके कारण अंग्रेजी हवा हो जाती है. These are not useful things. I think I suggested you this is only useful for competitive exams and teaching your kids. Only there are two uses of this. Otherwise, this is not. And I have told you yesterday that Americans do not like to use head at all. They do not use this tense. So, Renu, just go ahead. You can use Bharati, you can use Gharati. I will write it down.
Okay. So this sentence is having two parts. First part is from the past perfect.
हाँ, ये गलती मत करो. यहाँ से कम ये सीखो कि first part
belongs to past perfect tense, and second part is belongs to.
हाँ, इसके साथ belongs to नहीं होता, इसीलिए ये प्रोसेस बनाई.
Second part belongs to कौन से past, simple past tense. Okay. Both are affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the second part of the sentence.
हाँ, ये बिल्कुल सही बोला, इतना पर्याप्त.
Okay. And I will start with the subject, and the subject is Dharati. Then I will take the third form of verb, helping verb. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is had. Thereafter, I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is finished. Dharati had finished. Thereafter, I will take the possessive adjective, that is there. Then I will take the dinner, that is extension. No, object.
Yes, carry on.
Dharati had finished their dinner. Thereafter, I will take the conjunction, and the conjunction is before. Thereafter, I will take the article, and the article is the. Before the Bharati. Thereafter, I will take the subject, and the subject is Bharatiyon. Then I will take Bharatiyon. साफ कर चुके थे. Arrived. Then I will take the second form of the verb, and that is arrived. Thereafter, I will take over there, preposition over, and at the end I will take extension there. Sir, is it okay?
It is okay. Now let Poonam or Ritu try.
Okay, sir. I will try.
Who has to make this sentence? चलो पूछ लेते हैं.
To make this sentence, this sentence is having two parts. According to past perfect tense rule, this sentence is interchanged. So firstly, I will take second part of the sentence. and the first part of the sentence belongs to past perfect tense, and the second part of the sentence belongs to simple past tense.
Great.
In first part of the sentence, past perfect tense, first I will take the subject, and the subject is here Barati. So first I will take the subject with the article the Barati. Then I will take helping verb had, the Barati had, and then I will take the third form of the main verb, uh, finished.
Yes.
The Barati had finished. Then I will take the object. I can use in place of dinner meals.
B.
Meal, khana.
Try. Go ahead. No problem.
Uh, the Barati had finished the meal. Meal is here object, and
Yes.
okay, so, the Barati is the subject, and had is helping verb. Finished is the third form of the verb, and the meal we will use here for dinner meal with the help of article the meal. Then I will take conjunction before. Then I will take uh, again subject for second part of the sentence, Baratis, yo, and the help. Sorry, main verb. I will take second form of verb arrived. The Baratis arrived.
Great.
Then I will put the full stop. The complete sentence is should be the complete sentence should be the Bharati had finished the meal before the Bharatis arrived.
पूनम, ये दोनों शब्द सुने हुए हैं कि नहीं? घराती और बाराती सुने?
Yes, sir.
तो बारात वाले आते हैं और जो घर में रहते हैं उनको घराती कहते हैं. Mute yourself. Ritu, would you like to try today or tomorrow should
Yes,
be
sir. Yes, sir.
today? Thank
I
you.
would like to
Go ahead. Who has to make
Uh,
the sentence?
I have to make that sentence.
Hmm.
That sentence having two parts.
Hmm.
Part is simple past tense, and second past is past perfect tense.
Good.
As rule, because of rule, I will take the second past firstly, and then I will add the first part secondly. So firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is Gharati. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is had. And then I add the third form of verb, and the third form of verb is in the sentence is finished. And then I will take the conjunction, and conjunction is there. There is possessive adjective here. And then I will take the object, and the object is dinner. Then I put the conjunction, and conjunction is before. Then I will take the article, and the article is the. Then I will take the second subject, and the second subject is Baratis. And lastly, I will take the second form of verb, and the second form of verb is arrived. Lastly, I will put full stop. So sentence is Gharati had finished their dinner before the Baratis arrived.
Arrived there.
Sir, you are mute. Sir, you are mute.
Please, thank you. Speak one by one.
Okay. Gharati had finished the dinner before the Barati.
See the spelling carefully.
Gharatis had finished the dinner before the Baratis approached over there. बारातियों के आने से पूर्व ही घराती डिनर साफ कर चुके थे. सारिका?
Gharatis had finished the dinner before the Baratis approached over there. बारातियों के पहुंचने से पहले ही घराती डिनर साफ कर चुके थे. रेनू भाभी?
Gharatis had finished their dinner before the Baratis approached over there. बारातियों के आने से पूर्व ही घराती डिनर साफ कर चुके थे. पूनम? Poonam, you are mute.
Dharati had finished the dinner before the Baratis approached over there. बारातियों के पहुंचने से पहले ही धराती डिनर साफ कर चुके थे. ऋतु?
Ritu is done. Ritu, okay, Ritu, come again.
Okay. Gharatis had finished the dinner before the Baratis approached over there. बारातियों के आने से पूर्व ही घराती डिनर साफ कर चुके थे.
Okay, thank you, ladies, for joining. God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.